Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete socket set. Make sure you have a brand new CV axle and the correct type of transmission fluid on hand. Always begin by parking your vehicle on a firm, level surface and engaging the parking brake for safety. Now, let's get started on the removal process. Begin by loosening the lug nuts and the large axle nut while the vehicle is still on the ground. Once those are loose, safely lift the vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel, then carefully detach the brake caliper and rotor. Finally, separate the lower ball joint and the tie rod end from the steering knuckle to free up the hub assembly. With the old axle out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully guide the new CV axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats properly, then slide the outer end through the wheel hub. Reconnect the steering knuckle components, including the lower ball joint and tie rod end, securing them tightly. Finally, reinstall the brake rotor caliper and the wheel, making sure everything is aligned and snug. To finish up, lower the vehicle and torque all lug nuts and the axle nut to the manufacturer's specified values for safety. Don't forget to refill your transmission fluid to the correct level, as some fluid may have been lost during the axle replacement. This ensures smooth operation and prevents damage. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.